Pi Network continues to capture the global cryptocurrency community's attention, with Bitmart Exchange's recent announcement of listing the Pi token on the BRC20 network. This move not only solidifies Pi Network's position in the crypto market, but also paves the way for a surge of new Pi-themed meme coins following the imminent open mainnet launch, Pi Token Now, available on Bitmart Exchange. Bitmart Exchange, one of the leading cryptocurrency platforms, has officially announced that Pi token will be listed on the BRC20 network. BRC20 is a token standard on the Bitcoin network, similar to the ERC20 standard on Ethereum. The listing of Pi token on Bitmart now allows users to trade Pi more freely on a globally recognized exchange, enhancing its liquidity and providing more exposure to a broader investor base. This is a significant milestone for Pi Network, which has rapidly grown since its inception. The listing on Bitmart signals a new phase in Pi's journey, one where its token can be accessed on major platforms, facilitating easier transactions and greater involvement in the ecosystem. The increased accessibility is expected to broaden Pi Network's reach and bring more attention to its expanding user base. Tied to the open mainnet launch, the timing of Pi's listing on Bitmart coincides with the highly anticipated open mainnet launch, which will mark a major shift for Pi Network. The open mainnet will enable Pi to become fully decentralized and listed on other prominent cryptocurrency exchanges. This milestone will allow Pi tokens to be traded freely on global markets, positioning Pi for widespread adoption. The open mainnet launch is a key event for Pi Network, as it aims to transform from a closed network into an open, decentralized platform. With this shift, Pi token will move closer to becoming a globally recognized digital asset, and listing on Bitmart is a crucial step in this transformation. As more exchanges support Pi, the token's utility and value in the marketplace are expected to increase significantly. The rise of Pi meme coins. As Pi Network grows in prominence, the cryptocurrency world is also seeing the rise of Pi-themed meme coins. These new coins, which often gain popularity through community engagement and viral trends, are starting to emerge in the wake of the open mainnet launch. Meme coins are notorious for their speculative nature, but they can also create significant buzz in the crypto space, drawing attention to the larger Pi Network ecosystem. Meme coins have been a popular trend in the crypto world for years, often experiencing rapid price movements fueled by social media hype and community enthusiasm. With Pi Network's large and dedicated user base, the rise of Pi meme coins could spark further interest in the network, particularly among traders looking to capitalize on short-term price movements. While meme coins tend to be highly volatile, they can serve as a gateway for new users to discover Pi Network and its broader goals. As the Pi meme coin phenomenon grows, the community's participation and engagement with the network are likely to increase, expanding the reach of Pi far beyond its current user base. Potential benefits for the Pi ecosystem. While Pi meme coins are often seen as speculative, they could bring a number of benefits to the Pi Network ecosystem. Here are some of the potential advantages. Enhanced visibility. The emergence of Pi meme coins can raise awareness about Pi Network, especially among people who may not be familiar with the project. As these meme coins gain traction, more people will become aware of Pi's larger mission and its role in the crypto world. Increased liquidity. The listing of Pi token on Bitmart and the rise of Pi meme coins can increase the overall liquidity of Pi. As more users trade Pi tokens and meme coins, the volume of transactions will likely rise, giving the Pi Network a greater presence in the global market. Community growth. Pi's growing community could benefit from the attention generated by meme coins. With a large number of new users drawn to the trend, Pi Network could see a significant boost in its membership and engagement levels, strengthening the ecosystem for the long term. Boosting adoption. The rise of meme coins could lead more people to explore the wider Pi Network ecosystem. While meme coins are often short-lived, their viral nature can help onboard new users and increase interest in Pi's long-term potential as a decentralized cryptocurrency. Furthermore, Pi Network must ensure that the rise of meme coins does not detract from the core vision of the project. While meme coins can generate buzz, Pi's developers must remain committed to the vision of creating a robust, decentralized network that can be used for practical purposes by individuals and businesses alike. Looking ahead, Pi Network's future. With the Bitmart listing and the rise of meme coins, Pi Network is entering a new chapter in its development. The project is now poised to become a major player in the global cryptocurrency market, and its open mainnet launch will be a pivotal moment in its evolution. As Pi continues to expand its ecosystem and reach new users, it will likely play a central role in the future of decentralized finance, DeFi, and digital assets. While meme coins are often associated with speculative markets, they also represent a potential stepping stone for greater adoption of Pi Network. As the project moves closer to full decentralization, Pi Network has the opportunity to shape the future of cryptocurrency, driving both innovation and engagement across the blockchain space. Conclusion: Pi Network's recent developments, including the listing of Pi token on Bitmart and the rise of Pi meme coins, signal that the project is on track to become a significant player in the cryptocurrency world. As Pi moves towards its open mainnet launch, the network's growth potential seems limitless, with its dedicated community, increasing visibility, and strategic partnerships. Pi Network is well-positioned to lead the way in the next generation of digital assets. As Pi Network evolves, its journey from a closed network to a decentralized cryptocurrency ecosystem will be one to watch, with the future of the Pi token and its growing community at the forefront of the next wave of blockchain innovation.